It's so beautiful and smells like summer. I haven't even cut it yet. Right, I'll go get everything I need.
What smells like summer? Phil! Oh, a watermelon. So big! I need to get a piece for myself. The sweetest one. Before Sue comes back. Right, what tools have we got here? Eating watermelons isn't easy. And also they have this thick rind. Oh. Oh no! I don't want all that watermelon mess!
Itsy bitsy watermelon!
Huh? No! Sue, why would you give that thing a nickname?
Oh, come on! I think it's very cute.
Not cute at all! That's it! No more watermelons! I don't want the seeds to stick to me!
They won't!
Oh, really?
Really. Today, we'll be eating the watermelon without the rind or seeds bothering us.
Huh! I won't believe it till I see it.
Hi guys! We're in a watermelon mood today. Here, Sam, look!
What am I looking at?
Well, this will help us enjoy our watermelon.
Sue, you probably overheated. Can't you see these aren't kitchen utensils?
I can, Sammy, I can. But I bought this watermelon for a very special reason, to try to get juice out of it in a very interesting way. Shall we try?
You don't even have to ask!
Guys, if you support our idea, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to repeat this watermelon craft, ask an adult to help you. Be very careful with all the tools. All right, let's take our watermelon and cut a small opening on the top. Like this. What a lovely scent. Now I'll take this blade. I've washed it really well. I'll insert the blade into our screwdriver. And I'll make a hole with it.
Come on, Sue! You can do it!
Sam, I have to concentrate.
This was your one-of-a-kind comedian, Slick Slime Sam. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, I'll continue. Aha! Done! This is the opening we've made. The next stage requires a tap, like this. Just an ordinary tap. I've washed it too, of course. Let's insert it, Sam!
Oh! I thought you were done and I've been waiting for the juice to pour in my
No,
mouth.
Sammy, it's not done yet. I'll insert the tap into the opening like this, very tight. Now the tap is closed.
But the juice will still come out of it?
Yes, Sammy, but not right away. Go and choose some pretty glasses for us.
Glasses. Which glasses are for drinking watermelon juice? Plastic? Nah, too simple. Oh, these tall ones. No, they're for something else. Maybe these? Or these? Oh, what's going on? Sue, I've come right away. Are you all right?
Yes, Sammy, don't worry. I'm just blending the watermelon pulp to make more juice.
You're blending the watermelon with a screwdriver?
Well, an ordinary blender won't be much use here. The watermelon is so big. Right, looks like it's done. I'll close the watermelon with the cap I cut out earlier. Hey, Sam?
Yes?
Where are the glasses?
Glasses? Which Oh, glasses. Well, I didn't have time to pick them. You started whirring with this screwdriver.
Well, let's go choose them together. Let's see. How about these?
Oh! How did you guess?
Intuition, Sammy. I can tell you would have selected these glasses. I like them too, so we'll take them. too, Sammy, but I want to make some finishing touches first. We need to find something to place it on.
This?
No, that's for hot things. Here, we'll take this bowl. Carefully now.
And pour away! That's the way I like to eat a watermelon. Open and you get only the juice.
Very delicious. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like watermelons and if you liked our craft. And let's get it to 3,000 thumbs up to make sure the summer mood lasts. Bye!
Hurry and share this video with your friends. Let them get infected with the watermelon mood as well.